Hello everyone and welcome back to Shib. This evening, take advantage of the Binance price surge that has the potential to turn you into a multimillionaire. Shiba Inu news among the notable movers on Tuesday was Shibu as the token due to this late price spike. Prices increased for a sixth session Shib and reached a high of 0.959, 3 hours earlier in the day, less than 24 hours after trading at a low of 0.863. After an upward crossover of the 10-day and 25-day moving averages, Shiba Inu reached its highest level since December 5th. In this video, we'll discuss tonight's Binance price jump that will turn you into a billionaire and other Shiba Inu news. Please remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to view our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Now, let's start the video. According to Shern, a Twitter account that monitors the burning of shibainu, Binance removed a staggering 12.6 trillion SHIB tokens from the staking pool of the shibaswap decentralized exchange after unstaking the K9-themed cryptocurrency. At the time of the transaction, the largest cryptocurrency exchange moved 12.6 trillion SHIB tokens from the shibaswap staking pool. Despite withdrawing over 12.6 trillion Shiba Inu tokens from the staking pool, the major cryptocurrency exchange was still engaged in SHIB staking on Shiba. The value of the 12.6 trillion SHIB was comparable to $16.23 million. Exchange per SHIB burn Binance later restacked 4 trillion SHIBs on the platform, with a notable value of $36.2 million. Before staking back the asset in the shibaswap to staking pool, the exchange initially transferred the 4 trillion SHIB tokens to an anonymous wallet. The Shibu burn tracker also showed that 18.1 trillion SHIBs are presently staked in the staking pool. The announcement by SHIB burn is being made in an effort to educate members of the SHIB army about the massive 4 trillion SHIB tokens that Binance had previously transferred to shibaswap. In the meantime, the development sparked a range of responses from the Shiba Inu community. The most noteworthy response came from a well-known shibainu influencer named Shib. According to Shib, Binance has an active wallet on shibaswap that was created on the same day the Shiba Inu team launched the D-Shib. The Bugatti Group has announced a special edition event wherein the Bugatti Group will host a mint party dedicated to the ecosystem's NFTs referred to as Chiosis. The partnership will bring tangible goods and collectible NFTs into the hands of our most devoted and supporting SHIB tokens as NFT Genesis holders. BP noted that Binance uses the wallet for staking SHIB in this staking pool, claiming rewards, and distributing the rewards to its users. According to the company, there will only be 299 Binance Edition releases in addition to a very rare first edition release with a mint price of 0.14 ET. 95% of the mints will come with a crossbody limited edition travel bag from the Bugatti Group, and 5% of the mints will come with a carry-on item from the same Bugatti Group, which will be awarded to 15 fortunate community members. The redemption port will open 1 week after the minting process concludes. The Shoshi and Bugatti Group Twitter Spaces event is scheduled for January 15. The price of the Shiba Inu is currently trading at the peak of a declining wedge, following an unsuccessful attempt to break above the pattern's resistance in order to move up to 0.158, 6662. The pattern's upper trend line reinforces the steadfast resistance at 0.956, which is also the 100-day exponential moving average at 0.956. The price of the Shiba Inu receives the much-needed support from the 5-day EMA at 0.882 to gather sufficient liquidity for the second breakout attempt. Bulls may soon attempt to resume the uptrend, particularly in light of the moving average. Convergence a break from the falling wedge may only occur when, not if, the Shoshi and Bugatti Group Twitter Spaces event, which is coming up in 4 days, draws more investor attention to the SHIB. In addition, the continuous movement of the MACD above the mean line and the divergence formed by the blue line from the red line all support the bullish outlook for the Shiba Inu price. The target is equivalent to the distance between the broadest points of the wedge extrapolated above the breakout point. Buy orders can be appropriately placed above the wedge pattern, or if you want, the 100-day EMA recovery above the formation could be projected to increase quickly to 0.158, signifying a 66.62 advance. The Shibu community is anticipating the introduction of the Sharian protocol. However, there have been numerous delays in the update. Expectations for its deployment peaked towards the end of 2022. SHIB scalability will be enhanced with Shorome while maintaining a direct connection to the Ethereum network. The community anticipates that Shiba, one of the top cryptocurrencies that many retail investors are keeping an eye on, will launch in the first quarter of 2023. The Shibu development team insists that Shiba, a Layer 2 blockchain solution, will be published shortly. No official launch date has been revealed as of yet. Shiba Inu is once again experiencing a strong run. On January 11th, the stock rose 5.6% in a single day, bringing the year-to-date gain for the SHIB to nearly 14%. There are a number of reasons for this, including the recent surge in the price of cryptocurrencies and meme tokens, which are widely seen as high beta investments to profit from rising asset prices this year. Additionally, expectations that interest rates may reach their terminal rate in the first half of the year before a pause are pushing more speculative assets off their lows. Wales has demonstrated a greater interest in Inu, as evidenced by a 28.7 million transaction this month. Specific that a major portion of SHIB, like most cryptocurrencies, is owned by a relatively small number of people. Such acts have the potential to significantly alter the price of a specific token. Finally, a lot of investors are still keeping an eye on Shinu's upcoming metaverse launch. Shiba, a company valued at more than $5 billion, enhances the appeal of this project from a tokenomics standpoint by burning tokens for each transaction on the network. Shinu is no longer a tiny cryptocurrency token, hence it is unlikely to ever go on another multi-million percentage run, because that would push the project's valuation into unimaginable heights. While it is possible that Shiba Inu can soar from here, it is also possible that such increases are improbable, at least not in the near future, given the abundance of businesses valued at less than $5 billion that provide investors real cash flows and profits. The largest cryptocurrency exchange in India, X, has published its proof of reserves and boasts a reserves to liability ratio of over 1:1. The company said on Wednesday that X has reserves worth $286 million, with the Shigu token being the highest holding at almost $54 million. The security and safety of user funds are our top priorities, and we have made our wallet addresses list of exchanges and independent proof of reserves report public. According to the report, X has reserves worth $286 million, with $29.6 million worth of crypto assets on the exchange and $26.45 million on the blockchain. The top 5 held reserves are 6.09 trillion Shiba Inu 1, 356,004 DTC20, 72054 ETH 33 3.32 million D, and 1653 million Matic. Additionally, the crypto exchange's native token, X asserted that it had enough reserves to cover user needs in unanticipated circumstances. Moreover, the cryptocurrency exchange's reserves to liabilities ratio is greater than 1:1. According to reserves, X is now the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in India. Prior to now, X promised to share its proof of reserves. The government's action on cryptocurrency tax and CBDC was prompted by the fact that trading volume had decreased 76% from $3 billion in November 2021 to $10 billion in 2022. In December of last year, cryptocurrency exchange CoinDex released its proof of reserves report, revealing total holdings of $143.99 million. That concludes our coverage for today. Remember to give these tokens a massive thumbs up. The report also showed that SHIB, Matic, and Doge were among the top 5 holdings, suggesting that Indian customers mostly favor them. To view our most recent content, please like and subscribe to the channel.